Hi, my name is Hazem Gaber, and we're going to continue with our Chat GPT video. I forgot to talk about DALL-E or DALL-E 2, which is a image generation system. So if we're in Chat GPT and we ask it to show us a photo of an astronaut, and I spelled it wrong, but it says I can't display a photo because I can't generate images. And I spelled astronaut wrong. So show me a photo of a lion, for example. You can't display images. Uh, it tells you to look for Google. But we do have DALL-E. So DALL-E is a system that allows you to generate photos. So people have given it prompts and it's made stuff. So a 3D rendering of a fish that's cute, an armchair that looks like an avocado, uh, a robot playing chess but in the form of a painting, a Van Gogh style football player, a sea otter with a pearl earring, a teddy bear in Times Square, a photograph of a sunflower with sunglasses in the middle of a flower in a field on a bright sunny day. You can submit the generations. So the real question is who owns the copyright to to these things? You can't in order uh, to use this, you have to have credits. So you have to buy credits, and 115 credits are $15. So we can generate the 3D render. So you put in a detailed description, and ChatGPT or DALL-E will generate. In this case, it generated 4 different images of a cute tropical fish. And the crazy thing is, there's some kind of randomness into the. So that cost me 1 credit. So I have. So it's like 10 cents to generate 4 pictures. So we can try generate a lobster. If I do something like lobster, you never know what you're gonna get because you gotta be you gotta be as detailed as possible, and you can tell it. So I asked for a lobster, and it gave me a bunch of dancing lobsters. One of them has sunglasses. See, I didn't even ask. I didn't even ask for this, but this is what I got. So this is great for like graphics design. Uh, you could probably do like so if I generate lobster uh, ravioli. Uh, let's try that. So it's generated some realistic looking raviolis. Lobster with yellow polka dots. So maybe I'm thinking of a lobster as like something cooked, but the DALL-E thinks of a lobster as like a person, an anthropomorphic person. Uh, Maybe we'll try it in 3D. We can also uh, do. Let's see how far we can go here. So we've got a 3D lobster. Let's go in Times Square. See how far we can push this thing. So that's pretty cool, I would say. We've got let's do a dancing lobster. So we've got the, I don't know, I like this one. Now let's go Picasso style. Let's see, it's taken a while. It's a little bit abstract. So all the pictures we generate show up in our account. We always get like 4 of them. If you see something inappropriate, you can flag it. You can also, so here you can save it to a collection. You can share it. You can see the variations. So if you like something, for example, you click on variations, and then ChatGPT or DALL-E. I keep calling it ChatGPT, but it'll give you variations of the picture that you want. So, for example, if I like this guy, which is pretty cool, I can get some more variations. So you can add things like bright and dark. So let's say I live in Edmonton, so which is see if it knows. So Edmonton's a big city. So if I, well, this is pretty crazy. A bowl of soup that's a portal to another dimension. So this is a pretty um, realistic rendering. This one's not too good. Why can't I see this one? This one's pretty decent. So it automatically picked the river valley. But let's see if it knows, for example, Rogers Place, Edmonton, Alberta, which is our hockey arena. It did. So it's actually, you can see this was still when it was under construction. So the thing is, when you ask ChatGPT to generate an image of something that's real, it's a lot harder to it's kind of abstract because it's almost like if you were asked to draw something from memory. So so you can see this doesn't look exactly like Rogers Place. This is this is actually what Rogers Place looks like. It's a little bit different from what we get here. Same with if we look at Edmonton, River Valley. This is what people see when they look at our downtown. So if we compare what we see here with um, the last rendering, it's decent, but it's not like uh, accurate enough because it's not like ChatGPT or DALL-E is pulling a photograph off of the Google search and saying, "Here you go." It's actually like imagining what the place looks like and then rendering it, which is a little bit difficult for an AI to do. Whereas something cartoonish is pretty easy to do. So like Mona Lisa, for example. So see, it generated. This one's a bit weird. This is an actual person. Maybe this is what Mona Lisa would have looked like as a human. That's pretty crazy. Um, so yeah, it didn't give us the actual painting. This is kind of creepy, actually. But let's see if we can find some variations of that. So it can generate like realistic looking people. Let's try basketball alien, whatever that is. Let's see. So it's an alien playing basketball. But I said alien with a basketball head. So that didn't work. Let's see if we can. Nope, pretty tricky. Well, this one's pretty close to what I wanted. So remember, everything that you put in here, uh, it generates, it's learning from it. So if I say I want this one, I can also edit the picture now. So I can go, I can select, I can pan, I can erase, I can upload my own images. So I can erase the basketball if I wanted to. For example, I can erase the leg. I don't want to go, but we can. This is still in beta, so we'll discard that. So that about summarizes DALL-E. Well, let's try golf T-shirt slogan. So you can put these on a shirt. I think you can you can sell these. You can make NFTs out of them. The question is who owns the copyright. So see, I made a golf T-shirt, but there's a soccer ball here. This one looks pretty good. But, I love golf for a golf. I don't even know what that says. I say, can we generate a Nike logo? So see, it's not very good at generating the Nike logo. So it's Starbucks. So somebody made teddy bears shopping for groceries in Japan. Can't even. It has trouble spelling Starbucks. You know, this one's really bad. This one's close, but the Starbucks lady looks scary. So that's about it, I guess. We still have 95 credits. So if you want me to generate something for you or got some questions, post a comment.